Hi and welcome. I'm Jeff Comstock and I lead the team that builds Dynamics 365 customer service. I'm coming to you from center stage at our Microsoft studios in Redmond, Washington, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our session today. I am incredibly excited to announce the general availability of our first-party voice channel for Dynamics 365 customer service. Our voice capability is built on the same planet-scale communications platform that powers Microsoft Teams. And today, I'm going to highlight 4 areas of our voice solution that help our customers deliver world-class service. First is how we empower agents, both human and virtual, to provide a consistent and personalized experience across all channels. Second, I'll show how we use AI at every step of the call to help resolve customer issues faster. And you'll see that that spans everything from our conversational IVRs, call transcription to real-time sentiment analysis, proactive recommendations, and more. Next, by enabling voice on the same platform as our other engagement channels, we're able to provide unified insights across all customer interactions, including cases, chats, social messaging, and of course now, voice. And finally, we'll see how we've made it incredibly easy to get started and to scale. And it's only Microsoft that can bring together this rich set of capabilities to provide this all-in-one digital contact center solution with Dynamics 365 customer service. Now, as we've been building the voice solution, we've been working closely with many customers and partners who have been participating in our voice preview program. Caring Eyewear is one of those customers. Let's hear from their CIO, Daniel Bellini, to see why they're so excited about the new first-party voice solution and how it's going to help them.
Hello, I'm Daniel Bellini, and I'm the CIO of Caring Eyewear. As you probably know, Caring Eyewear is the first luxury company in eyewear. And luxury has to be part of all the things that we do. I mean, all the processes, all the products, whatever we do in Caring Eyewear has to be inspired by the luxury principles. And this applies especially to the interaction with our customers. So, in my opinion, nowadays, there is no longer the need to break down the way you interact with customers. So customers interact in multiple ways: voice, chat, email. It's always interaction with the customer. So voice is fundamental because it together with omnichannel capabilities, really represents the relationship with the customer rather than representing technology. This, in my opinion, is the reason why we are pursuing voice, because it's able to break down all the barriers that we had in the past between different technologies and focus on one thing, that is the relationship with the customer. And voice was like the final element to fully enable our omnichannel capabilities.
Thank you, Daniel and the Caring Eyewear team. It's great to hear how Daniel thinks of voice as the final element to fully enable their omnichannel needs. And we're looking forward to continuing our partnership with Caring Eyewear. Okay, now let's look at some of the features that make this new capability so exciting. As service leaders know, providing a seamless, personalized service experience across every channel is critical to deliver world-class customer care. In fact, 80% of consumers are more likely to purchase from companies who provide more personalized experiences. For the customer, they want to feel known and valued. So no matter how many channels, bots, and agents they've interacted with, they expect one continuous conversation. And for many contact centers, ensuring that personalization and continuity across all channels is incredibly difficult. Multiple tools and disconnected siloed data prevent agents from having a complete view of the customer journey. Now, with the introduction of the voice channel, Dynamics 365 customer service can enable that consistent single view of the customer across all channels out of the box. Let me show you what I mean. We've enhanced Power Virtual Agents, our no-code bot builder, with the latest advances in speech AI. So now, Power Virtual Agent bots can be used as intelligent IVRs in the voice channel. Let me go ahead and make a call.
Hi, Jeff. Thanks for calling Contoso Coffee. My name is Kona, your virtual agent. How can I help you today?
Hi, Kona. I wanted to check on my last order.
Sure. We received your order for the Smart Brew 300 coffee maker on Monday. and shipped it to your Seattle address yesterday. You should receive it by this evening. Would you like a text message when the driver is nearby?
That would be great. So that was our Power Virtual Agent capability, and it uses natural language understanding and speech synthesis to interact with me. And building the conversational IVR is super easy. And what's even better is that the same bot used as an IVR can be used for SMS, social messaging, and chat. So no matter how your customers contact you, you can deliver a consistent, intelligent, and personalized self-service experience. Now, as customers transition from self-service to assisted service, they'll expect a personalized experience from their human agent as well. Let's see how we do that.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, I want to discuss the different membership tiers and see if I should upgrade.
Absolutely. Let me connect you to our membership team to discuss your options.
Now, let's switch to the agent desktop to see how the agent receives the incoming call. The IVR has routed the call to the best skilled agent based on our intelligent, unified routing engine. All context from the IVR is passed, as well as the full transcript, so as the customer, I never have to repeat myself. The incoming call automatically pulls up the customer information, case history, and view of all previous emails, chats, and messaging interactions. This way, agents have the full customer journey at their fingertips. Agents can also consult with other agents in the contact center, and even with subject matter experts in the broader organization who are using Microsoft Teams. So we just saw how we use AI at the very first step with the intelligent IVR. Now, let's see how AI enhances the rest of the call. First, each call is transcribed automatically. This way, the agent doesn't have to worry about taking notes and can easily refer back to what their customer has said without having to ask them to repeat themselves. Second, live sentiment provides the agent and supervisors with a pulse on how the customer is feeling. Agents can increase their customer empathy based on the sentiment signals they are seeing. Third, AI can listen to the call and provide real-time, proactive recommendations for similar cases and knowledge articles, assisting the agent in solving the issue faster. And for the agents assisting customers in different regions and across different languages, with a simple click, the agent can turn on real-time translation, so they get the added support and confidence of seeing the conversation in their native language. So as you can see, AI is infused throughout the agent desktop to help them resolve customer issues faster. Now let's hear from Brian Davis, the head of sales and service operations at Sandvik Coromant, who's going to share his thoughts on how AI in the voice channel is going to drive better insights and experiences for their customers.
Sandvik Coromant is the world leader in manufacturing solutions. We are a global company that is predominant in all of our major manufacturing and engineering customers. With the new AI technology, we're really excited about the potential that it has for us. We know in many cases we're trying to manually capture things, and especially when we're trying to take down the specific key points. Here, AI will help us with dictation. It'll help us to look and highlight customer sentiment. It'll bring up the data points and look for patterns of behavior. So all of this is really allowing us to be much more proactive. Where in the past, we were doing a lot of reactive and looking at many different pieces of information to try to put together the true story of our customer and how we can work with them in a better way. Here, AI will help us with the intelligent and the analytics and really be able to secure that we're providing that ultimate customer experience.
Thank you, Brian. It's great to hear how excited you are about our AI capabilities and how they'll enable you to provide a more proactive service. Now, to deliver exceptional care, service leaders and supervisors need to quickly identify trending issues in an ever-changing environment and have a view across all customer engagements at all times. And this is another area where Dynamics 365 Customer Service as that all-in-one really shines. We have a single platform where we bring together customer conversations across all channels, together with all the customer information and case history. So this provides a complete view of the customers and their journeys, resulting in instant insights. And again, this is all out of the box, no integrations required. So let's take a look. So here, looking at the Supervisor Analytics dashboard, you see the voice KPIs at a glance, like average talk time, hold time, and speed to answer. We see agent conversational styles like talk-to-listen ratio and talking speed, aggregated across many calls. When we switch to the conversation dashboard, we see insights on conversations across all channels, so not only voice, but also live chat and social messaging. And here we see metrics like abandon rate and customer satisfaction, or CSAT, where of course, voice is just another channel integrated into all these views. For the Supervisor, we apply advanced AI to identify and group emerging issues based on the transcripts of conversations across all channels. Let's go ahead and sort the issue topics to see what's responsible for the negative impact we're seeing to our customer satisfaction. It looks like issues related to membership card replacement are growing in volume and what's likely driving down customer satisfaction. If we drill into that particular topic, the Supervisor can see details across all the engagement channels for issues related to membership card replacement, including the volume coming in and metrics by agent. And drilling into a specific call, they can listen to the recording and review the transcript, along with the sentiment markers and the agent's conversational style metrics throughout the call. The last thing I want to show you is that we've made it incredibly easy to get started. And with just a few clicks, you'll be ready to make your first call. Let me show you how. Starting with the customer service homepage, anyone can sign up for a free trial in seconds. You just need to enter your email and a few contact details, and then you're up and running with a fully functioning environment. At that point, you can hit the Take Tour button to explore the voice capabilities. You get a free phone number to make calls, and a conversational Power Virtual Agent is deployed automatically. The bot transfers calls to you directly, so you can start to see the agent experience with transcription, sentiment analysis, and call recording working out of the box. And that's it. Getting started is quick, no integration needed, and you can make your first call right away. Let's hear from Brian on what it took for his team to get up and running.
When implementing our voice channel preview, we are really excited at how smooth it went. In the past, we've had other implementations where we had a bit of delays, a little bit of struggles until we got to where we needed to go. But with this preview, I can honestly say, talking directly with the team members, that it's been really easy. They really have said words like plug and play. And, it's ready to go at a couple pushes of the button. So for me, that really says that we really have the right solution. It's easy to connect. It's easy to get on board, and it's easy for our team members to use. So I'm really excited for the future with this solution.
Thank you, Brian. And once you get started and begin to scale voice out to your organization, you can count on the fact that our new voice solution is built on the same planet-scale communications platform that powers Microsoft Teams. All right, we've covered a lot today, so let me give you a quick recap. First, I showed how our new first-party voice solution helps provide a seamless and personalized customer experience across all channels. Second, how our conversational IVR, call transcription, sentiment analysis, proactive recommendations, and other built-in AI capabilities empower your agents to resolve customer issues quickly. Third, all customer interaction data is together in a single data platform, enabling unified insights across calls and every other channel. And finally, I showed you how we are making it easy to get started with the new voice channel and scale it out across your contact center. We are super excited to be adding voice and expanding Dynamics 365 customer service to the all-in-one digital contact center and continue helping our customers deliver world-class customer care. You can get started with a free trial today on trials.dynamics.com. And don't forget to check out my blog to read even more about these new capabilities and see what else our customers and partners have to say. Thank you.